Recently, a gentleman asked me, how can I get my searches? I have some good searches, 3 or 4 searches that I use often, and I want to have them loaded and ready whenever I'm investigating something in QReader. And I'm going to show this is actually not a new technology at all. This has been available for years, but maybe I failed to highlight that in one of my videos. For example, we can see that when I'm here looking at an offense in the new UI, and I have these searches saved in here. And by the way, this is not, you don't have to have the new UI just for that. This is the same view with the old UI. But what I want to do is actually perform these save searches, and more on this later, by just clicking on a button, and boom, I get my search ready. And you can actually see the full AQL here. And it actually already ran. I don't have any results in there, but the point is to show the capability of having those searches working for you. And all you need to do for this is go into the App Exchange and install the Analyst Custom Searches for QReader. And the installation is not, it's not trivial. As you can see, this is a very old technology. But here in this document, you can actually see how you go into the Admin tab, and then the save searches that you have, you put them in here. Now, and you can see by the look is that I even forgot about the old UI in QReader. But the final point, since this is a very basic and not new video, is that don't forget that if you don't have the search in the AQL format, but let's say that you have a search that you created using the GUI, pull down menu here and there, remember that there is that nice button. So if you go into well, I can even take any of the saved searches that we have. I can do here, and any search that you have, even if it's a GUI one, you have this show AQL button that will build the AQL. You probably will want to drop a couple of columns here, but at least you can just copy to the clipboard, and then you have the basic that you need. Again, quick video if you want to have your searches loaded and ready for you to do investigation when you're looking at offenses.